The wild poofiness.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be styling my mom's hair. She has naturally wavy hair. Yeah?
Thick and poofy and wavy and wild.
We want to start with a soaking wet base. So I'm going to spray her hair down.
We just tried.
I know. Because once your hair gets wet, you already can see your curls are coming back.
Yeah. So when it dries, it isn't very curly.
Okay. It's mostly wet, so I'm going to put in this leave-in conditioner.
That's our favorite.
This one and this one are my favorite. But I feel like this one might be too heavy for your hair.
Oh,
For like styling your hair.
Yeah. Yeah. It smells good.
Now that I know how to style curly hair, I wonder what my natural hair looks like. Now that I put the leave-in conditioner in, I can tell which spots aren't as wet because there's product, so I'm gonna just wet it more. I'm just gonna brush her hair normal with the Denman brush just to distribute the product. Use this curl and style milk, and then lastly this mousse that she uses.
I'd love to be one of the older ladies that goes to the salon every week. Get your hair done. Like puts me to sleep.
Now I'm just going to section her hair and use the Denman brush. I'm taking the Denman brush underneath and twisting it so that the hair is kind of like on it sideways and pulling it through, and then taking that section that I did, shaking it. just gonna let it dry and come back and see how it looks.
Okay.
Ah!
I better have some energy drink.
Okay, my hair's dry. Not the best lighting, but oh well. We're just gonna scrunch it a little bit, get the crunch out. So here's the final look. She's beauty, she's grace.
Even without makeup?
Does it look any different to you than when from using the Denman brush?
Yep, I think they're more defined.
More defined, Carol. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.
Watch her channel.
Bye.